This is a one-of-a-kind dish. He's the only one that makes this in the world. It's a specialty.
Well, I know other places to make it. That's what it looks like, salmon cheesesteak. There's places to make it in Philly.
Well, not the way he makes it.
I'm pretty sure they don't make it like you make it.
They are. Everyone in the city's been trying to duplicate this. They can't.
See?
It's the sauce and the seasoning. And when I do to the fish, part of it goes in the pot. A lot of people, when they put fillers in, they'll have like broccoli and stuff like that. Well, I don't do that. This is straight up Atlantic salmon, sauteed, marinated in olive oil, my seasoning. Then it goes to the pan. Turn that down with top.
I'll take a taste test.
I just wanted you to taste it. I know I need another fork.
Thank you. See? Bang! I tell you, I'm listening to everything. They say the best.
That's real good.
Then they put it on wheat bread.
You're really up there. You're really up there. Definitely up there.
And Linwood.
I got to talk hard. I'm Bill Andrews. I'm a celebrity photographer.
I've done the green.
That's a specialty. That's a one-of-a-kind dish. It's a tuna cheesesteak. He said he's the only one that makes it like that. I let him say he got the reaction.
I'm trying to think of his name.
And I don't like salmon.
You like salmon? You like that?
Yeah, I'll tell you, bro.
See? Yo, chef, I let him taste it. And he gonna use your services, see? Taste it. It's a salmon cheesesteak. It's not no chicken.
There's a place at 56 and like Master. It's like two brothers or poor boys or something. They make one. There's one 22nd and Clearfield. They make a good one too. Those are the two best places I can think of off the top of my head right now. But it's about
After you taste Chef Ali's kitchen, salmon cheesesteak.
I'm looking forward to it.
But see,
I just ate because I know I had 3 events. I just finished one event.
See, the way I do when I did my restaurant, the salmon was grilled. It was grilled, and then it went to a flat top, and then the onions and peppers were grilled, and then the sauce and cheese. Then it was the honey bee roll. And then you got a regular hoagie roll. And then, if you wanted, I would add lettuce and tomato. Jameer Nelson, the basketball player, he came in, wherever he got his haircut, the barber loved it. The barber sent him there. He came in one day with a Maybach, and ordered 2 of them. The following day, LaSalle University, male and female Greenville basketball program came and wiped me out that whole day. That's with all the sound. No one came to my store that was under 6'5".
Oh,
And that's no exaggeration.
You have a location?
Well, when I did have a brick and mortar, now it's just strictly catering.
I think you have to come to my house tomorrow and cook dinner.
Okay, that's no problem. I do that.
I know.
I do that.
Congratulations, man. It's really good food.
You gotta go to the website. Check out the website.
I'll be right back. I'm going over there.
There's all kinds of menus in there, photographs, some events that we did.
I don't even like salmon, and I love it.
A lot of people say that.
Salmon's dry to me. I never liked it. That is awesome.
Thank you.